In episode 5 of the Brick and Bowl Consumer app, we will explore the Payments and Blogs section. Find the Payments tab on the bottom right corner where you can view the paid, outstanding payments and the combined summary for your project. Here, you will find the stage-wise payments that you need to make in accordance with Brick and Bolt escrow model. Tap on the total amount to have a detailed view on the date, amount and mode of payment. Similarly, by scrolling further down, you can find the stage-wise payments requested for the entire duration of the construction. Tap on the Paid or To Be Paid tab for segregated payment views. After reviewing the payment section, tap on the Home icon in the Quick Access bar in the bottom and scroll to the end of the homepage to access the Blogs and Articles section. Scroll right to access the most read blogs on our app for all new homeowners. And if you tap on View All, you can find a treasure trove of blogs from the ABCs to the detailed tips, tricks and hacks. You can perhaps start with the complete guide to house construction. It covers costs, techniques, tips and calculators. Once you're done reading, you can always head back to the homepage to explore more. In the last episode of this series, we will explore a few more features of the Brick and Bolt Consumer app. If you like what you saw, drop us a like or a comment. And if you are new to Brick and Bolt and are exploring home construction options, check out the link in the description or call us directly.